Let me get a good picture of you. Hang on to him good. Oh shoot. Look down in his mouth.
What is that?
A whole crawdad. Now he got a whole crawdad down in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. And he's still eating on her stuff. Hey everybody, welcome to the land of the free. We're off on some big adventure today. Me and Kelly gonna do some smallmouth fishing on the new river. We're gonna put in down at the bottom of Sandstone Mountain, go from Meadow Creek down the Glade, about a 6-mile stretch. The only way in there is boat. No houses, no nothing, so pretty cool spot. And a bunch of eagles and stuff in there. Tons of smallmouth, so we'll make this video today. Got the boat all ready. On video, Kelly fishing, me fishing a little bit. Hopefully we can catch some good ones and have a good day. Y'all stick with us. Ain't bad. First fish of the day. I miss Kelly. Oh shoot, I got one. Hold on, we can double them up here, buddy. Oh, that's a good one. Oh my. Oh, look at that. Come here, buddy. I didn't even know you was on there. I was watching her. Oh yeah, I like him. Easy, man. Don't be crazy. Let me get that out of you. Come here, hold on. Ain't no way to live your life. I'm here to help you. He said if you was here to help me, you wouldn't have a hook in my mouth. There we go. We doubled up right off the bat, baby. We'll take it. That back stop back there. Come on in there, bud. How we like it right there. Right there's what we're using. 3-inch swim bait. Contact. They're gonna bite good today, I think, in this little bit of dirty water. Usually the bigger ones start. Alright, we've already put 4 on the board in this one hole. We put 6 in the boat right here. In about, I don't know, 10 minutes. The middle of the day. It's 1 o'clock in the day. When you're hungry, you're hungry. We come off that rock. I'm gonna drift this on down and let you fish the head of this shoal here. This side you want with customers. Alright, get them in them ripples. Ripples. There you go, right there. There you go, that a girl.
Yeah.
Get him?
No, but it was big.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, put her back in there. Yeah, you got Got fish on there? Good one? Flop him up in here. Good job. Don't be getting crazy. You do drop him in the live well? I see it. I see it. I see it. How that be? Learned that one from old Charlie the goat. Alright, so we stopped out here for lunch. We've caught about 15 fish. And just chilling. Let me show y'all. Look at that. And there ain't nobody. The only way you can get to this area is by boat or by train. And that's it. Or by camp. Or by D-Way. That's it. So there's our lunch. Drinking me a nice cold beer. Just chilling. We're really going to start fishing here in a minute. Yeah. If y'all wondering why she ain't saying that, she got the laryngitis. She can't talk. She's got some kind of sickness. She talks plenty when she hooks one, believe me. But we're going to get on down here where the big ones are here in a minute. Just a nice day, chilling. I don't care if we catch another fish, to be honest. But we will. Guarantee it. Just let y'all listen to that in a minute. That's a good one. Flop him up here. Oh, easy man. You threw him in. I got back us out here a little bit. I don't want to leave this spot yet. Here he comes to you, swimming downstream. He's in the chute. Lip him and hold him up.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's pretty. Yeah. That's pretty. And then there goes the heron. The good heron. Not the kind you get in East Beckley. That's the brown heron. Ain't good for you. Oh. I don't know, this motor's starting to sputter a little bit after them beers at lunch. Set up right here. Hit this little shoal. There we go, quick release, what we call that here in West Virginia. And I nosed the stuff on a rock. And we're sitting here wearing them out. Still have yet to see a human being. Oh, one right there. What we switched up to right there. See that writing right there? That says guaranteed fish in Chinese, Korean, or whatever the hell it is. Right there it is. 1/8 ounce jig head. Feeding them down through there like such. Bringing it out the back. Pushing it down in and making sure it stays flat. A little swim tail. That's what makes them crazy. Kelly killing them. Kelly, I can't even fish because Kelly over here killing them. That girl, she's got the brown one on. Pumpkin seed, whatever you want to call it. We are catching some fish, folks. Catching some fish. Ah, some of us are missing some fish. I had him, I was adjusting that camera. Look at that. Oh, that makes me so mad. Eat skunk. Kelly, quit catching fish. We're on TV, you're making me look bad. So Kelly, we've already talked about this before. She gets the happy face when she's catching fish. Well, I got video proof of what her face looks like when I'm catching fish, and she ain't. And let me tell you, it ain't a happy face. It's a, I'm gonna cut this dude's throat tonight face. The sun done popped back out all the same. Woo. Alright, folks. Sing on up. Hold on. We're going in the hopper here. Oh shit. I see it. I got it. The hard part is catching fish and rowing boats. That good one? Oh yeah, nice one. So you like my favorite spot, don't you? Hold that one up or lip it and hold it up. I got the video going. Uh-oh, it's in the live well.
Just on one side, he goes to the other.
In the live well. Oh yeah, pretty one. Oh yeah. Alright, let her rip. Alright, hopefully this boat will sit right here and we can catch some fish. I like that brown one, don't I? Well, I should say they like yours, they don't like mine. Oh, baby, get this net out of my feet. Get off.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I just barely got it. No.
Whoa. Yeah.
That's the one I've been waiting on. That's old Fat Daddy here. Oh, there went my bear. Alright.
Oh,
look at that hoss. That may be my PR, babe. Woo! Oh man, I didn't know if I was gonna get him. You should get into me, big boy. Trying to do the right thing here.
if you turn your phone on, I'll take a picture of you.
He wasn't coming out.
What's your thing?
1.6. Well, almost 7 there.
One. I got the one.
Oh, look at that fat daddy. So Kelly just caught a big old hog. Ah! And I had one. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me get him out here for you. Oh yeah, he's nice. Oh, you had him hooked. You had him hooked good, baby. Had him hooked real nice. Give me some slack on there. Oh yeah, all right, put it out to the front there. Let me get a good picture of you. Hang on to him good. Oh shoot! Look down in his mouth.
What is that?
A whole crawdad. Now he got a whole crawdad down in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. And he's still eating on her stuff. All right, you gotta lip him hard, baby. Lip him hard. Got him?
Yeah.
Let me turn you around here to the sun. This will be one of the best. That's an old fatty too. Yeah, that's a good one. That crawdad's crazy, ain't it?
That's insane. Better not pinch me either.
All right. Ooh. All right, now hold it like that. Atta girl. We don't want to let everybody know our secrets.
Crawdad's moving. He swallowed it. More.
All right, let him go. That's crazy, ain't it? Good job. So that's a good trip right there. I'm gonna sign off of here because we're almost to our takeout. We'll take the boat out. It's been a good day. We fished about 6 hours, caught 42 fish, and caught a couple nice ones. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, all three of y'all that watch our channel. And hey, it's West Virginia, so don't be bringing everybody here, but come and enjoy it. And give us a holler. We might take you fishing. You never know.